So I've actually started working on this bow already, on the stave. Of course I've already started working on the bow, but I've already started working on the stave with the adze. I just wanted to see how it worked. Didn't actually work very well at the beginning because the angle was too steep like that, so I opened it up a bit, and now it works a bit better, but it's still difficult. I've just started a little bit. It does cut pretty well, I suppose. At the beginning, like the stone axe, I thought it was going to be very difficult, but once I started getting into it, it was fine. I've marked it out, just the length of my bow, the center and both the mid-limbs, using a piece of string that I've thrown down over here. Basically, I found the length that I wanted. I've made quite a few bows, so I know the length that I need just off by heart. I don't really need to use a measuring tape. Anyway, so I made 2 knots, one at each end, so that's my length of my bow. So I put that on the stave and I marked the 2 extremities, fold it in half, got my center, folded it in half again, and got my 2 mid-limbs. I marked it using a piece of burnt wood. Very difficult, but you get a rough idea. The marks are pretty fat, so you can't really, it's not really precise, but making a bow isn't rocket science. It doesn't have to be that precise. And then I did the center line just by holding the string like that along the bow and sort of looking where the string was and drawing the line roughly where the center line was. And then I just started working on this limb here. So I'll show you how. I'll just show you move over here a bit. I'll show you the adze in action. It's very difficult to film this and talk to you guys and work at the same time, so I'm just going to show you guys a little bit the adze working, and then I'm going to adze the whole front profile, and then I'm going to start filming again on the next part, where I'm going to take away some of the thickness with the new antler chisel that I made. I'm just doing this by eye. Like I said, I made a few bows, so yeah, I kind of know how the bow needs to be formed. This system with the antler wedge in the back hasn't worked as well as I thought it would. It does work, but I think I'll have to make another design. Yeah, it keeps coming loose actually. I don't know. What I'm going to do about that, but so I'm trying to give you guys a closer view of the action. The antler wedge does keep coming out, which is annoying, but I keep putting it back in, and yeah, I'm getting through it. It chops the wood alright. Elm's pretty hard even when it's wet, but nowhere near as hard as when it's dry. kind of hard to work down here at the bottom. Keep looking at the front view profile just to make sure I'm not cutting too much off or going all wonky off my line. Maybe even like this will work quite well. Getting this in there. Yeah, it's alright. Looks alright like that. There's a big knot here on the end. I'm going to break my edge.